Dealing with a partner who snores loudly can be frustrating, but there are solutions. First, consider changing their sleeping position. Encouraging them to sleep on their side can often reduce snoring. Second, they might benefit from nasal strips or a humidifier, which can help clear airways. Additionally, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including weight management and avoiding alcohol before bed, can also help. If the issue persists, it's worth consulting a doctor to rule out sleep apnea or other health concerns. Remember, communication is key. Talk to your partner about the snoring and work together to find a solution.